breastfeeding and latching correctly for first-time mothers. So, is this really important? Absolutely. The latch is the most important thing during breastfeeding. What does the latch actually mean? The latch encompasses how the mother sits, how the baby lies, and how the baby is approaching the breast. Now, this is me. I'm Nurse Judy K, a mother, midwife, international lactation consultant, IBCLC, and founder of Best Start Baby nonprofit. We want to make sure that when you breastfeed, you are comfortable, you are supported by pillows, your back is against a wall, and that your baby is lying comfortably against your body. Together, you are skin on skin or chest on chest, and we like you to gently guide and approach, let baby approach the breast in a safe, comforting way. So the latch is 100% very important. I have an amazing shark latch breastfeeding technique. It is all about the angle. It is all about how the baby comes to you, the mother. We are here to hold your hand, support you on this beautiful journey called breastfeeding. Thank you.